What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So Apple has, right on schedule, released iOS 18.2 and watchOS 11.2. We already released a video in the past and then this morning kind of talking about the new features for iOS. And today's video is going to be very short and sweet if you follow the channel in regards to watchOS 11.2 and its full release. So we did luck out, and with the last build we did get a new feature. I think it is actually handy, but it is kind of sad what we are so excited about with this build. Aside from that, since Apple Intelligence features are not coming to watchOS just yet, there's not really a lot of new to discuss, so this video is going to be very short for you guys today. Let's take a look at the final build number, talk about this new feature that's come, and go from there. Okay, so as you can see here, we have Apple Watch Ultra 2 with 11.2 installed for watchOS. And before we even get into anything crazy, let's go ahead and jump down into settings and then general and get a look at this final build number. So there we go. Let's go to settings, general, and about. And all right, 11.2, as you guys can see here, has a final build number of 22S101. And again, most of these features that have been rolled out with 0.1 and 0.2 for iOS 18 are all in relation to Apple Intelligence. And well, unfortunately, we know a lot of those features are not coming to watchOS just yet. Hopefully down the road, we will get something new there. But as I said in the last beta video, we do have some new for the first time in a while in watchOS, and let me show you exactly what that is. So if you are using the watch as a camera remote, so let's scroll all the way back up here and go to camera, remote, you can see it already recognized we are on a video, and granted there's a slight delay here. You can see it's actually working pretty good. Now, instead of just being able to start and stop videos, you now have a pause option as well. So that is very nice to see, kind of useful. It's a little quality of life improvement here if you use your watch as a camera viewfinder. If not, you might not be interested in that new function, but that is actually one new item nonetheless. I will say in the last beta, we did have much better battery life, and hopefully with this public release, it will continue. Let's just jump around, kind of taking a look at everything. All the widgets seem to be opening up pretty well. We didn't have any sort of glitches or freeze-ups with the last beta either, luckily. So again, very happy to see that also. Let's jump into weather. And yeah, it seems to be very smooth. I will say we have had random intermittent issues when you would tap an Apple Watch to an iPhone where it wouldn't give you that prompt to transfer information. And as you can see here again, there it is. Finally, we got it, but it took a little bit. And you can see it says share your contact information like it should, but it did take a little finagling around to get that to work. It looks like that is still kind of on the fritz here as well. And then jumping all into this, everything seems to be working smooth. So again, we knew this wasn't going to be an exciting update simply because Apple Intelligence is not dropping for watchOS yet, like we said, but hopefully a little bit of an update here. Now that they did release 11.2, 11.3 beta 1 should be right around the corner. And if it does not drop tomorrow, I would actually fully expect to get the first beta before Christmas, and that should be around the 16th of next week. I don't think it would get pushed to Christmas week since Apple does give a lot of their employees time off for that week. So I would expect next Monday we get first beta of 11.3 and watchOS 18.3 beta 1. What's in it, we don't really know yet. That'll be very interesting and exciting, but hopefully there will be some useful features, maybe new watch faces for the watchOS 11.3 beta 1. Aside from that, guys, what do you want to see in future betas here or future full releases of watchOS? Definitely stagnant, like we said. At least we got something new, as disappointing as that sounds and just being a camera shortcut. But let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.